Hello, my dear friends. It's so nice to see you here today. My name is Emma, and I'm very happy you are joining me. Today, we are going to talk about something very close to my heart, my family at home. Family is very important. They are the people we love and the people who love us. In this lesson, I will tell you about each person in my family. I will share their names, what they do, and some little things about them. You will learn new words so you can talk about your own family too. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen carefully, and you can repeat the sentences after me. Step by step, your English will get better. So, take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the story of my family. Let's begin together.
Let's start with my mother. Her name is Sarah. She is 45 years old. My mother is a very kind and gentle person. She always smiles even when she is busy. She loves cooking and she makes the best pasta in the world. When I come home from school or work, she always asks, "How was your day?" She listens carefully to me and gives me good advice. When I feel sad, she gives me a warm hug and helps me feel better. I am very lucky to have her in my life. Now, let me tell you about my father. His name is David. He is 48 years old. My father works in an office, but at home, he is our handyman. He can fix almost anything: the sink, the door, even my bicycle. He is also very funny. At the dinner table, he tells jokes that make everyone laugh until our stomachs hurt. Sometimes, on weekends, he takes us to the park or for a walk by the river. He likes spending time with the family. I also have a brother. His name is Tom, and he is 15 years old. Tom is in high school, and he plays football every weekend. He is very good at it, and sometimes his team wins trophies. Tom can be a little noisy when he plays video games, but I don't mind. Sometimes we play together, and we laugh a lot. Even though he is younger than me, he is very protective. If I have a problem, he is always ready to help. And this is my little sister, Anna. Anna is 10 years old. She is small, but she is very clever. She loves reading storybooks, especially about princesses and adventures. She also loves to draw, and her pictures are very beautiful. Sometimes she draws our family sitting together in the living room. She asks many questions because she wants to learn about the world. Even though she is young, she has a big heart. She often makes small gifts for us, like handmade cards or paper flowers. Each person in my family is different, but that's what makes us special. We love and care for each other very much. When we are together, our home feels warm and happy. Now, let me tell you what life is like in our home. In the evening, we all come together for dinner. My mother cooks delicious food, and we sit at the table as a family. We talk about our day, what happened at school, at work, or with friends. Sometimes we laugh so much that we forget to finish our food. On weekends, we like to spend time together. Sometimes we watch movies in the living room. We make popcorn, turn off the lights, and enjoy the film. Other times, we play board games. Tom usually wins, and Anna pretends to be upset, but we all know she is having fun. We also like to go outside as a family. In the spring, we go for walks in the park. In the summer, we sometimes have a picnic. We bring sandwiches, fruit, and juice, and we sit under a big tree. We eat, talk, and enjoy the sunshine. Even when we are busy, we try to make time for each other. Our home is full of love, laughter, and care. When we are together, we feel happy and safe. That is what makes our family life so special. Now, I want to tell you about our home. It is not very big, but it is warm, bright, and comfortable. When you walk inside, you can feel the love and care in every room. It is the place where we share our best memories together. When you enter our home, the first room you see is the living room. It has a big, soft sofa where we sit together in the evenings. There is a coffee table in the middle, and on the table you can often find a vase with fresh flowers. A large window lets in the sunshine during the day, making the room feel bright and happy. On the wall, there are family photos, pictures of birthdays, holidays, and fun times we have shared. Next to the living room is our kitchen. It is small but full of delicious smells. This is where my mother cooks her tasty meals. There is a round table in the corner where we sometimes have breakfast together. The shelves are full of cups, plates, and jars with spices. When I am in the kitchen, I always feel a sense of warmth. Our home has 3 bedrooms. My parents have 1 bedroom. It is simple but very tidy. There is a big bed with a soft blanket, and on the bedside table is a small lamp that gives a gentle light. Tom has his own room. His room is full of football posters and trophies from his matches. There is a desk where he does his homework, but sometimes it is also covered with his football magazines. Anna also has her own room. Her room is colorful, with drawings on the wall and toys neatly on the shelves. She has a small desk for reading and drawing. Sometimes she invites me in to see her newest picture. And then there is my room. It is small, but I love it. I have a comfortable bed, a desk for studying, and a bookshelf full of my favorite books. Next to my bed, there is a small lamp, and at night, I like to read before going to sleep. We have 1 bathroom for all of us. In the mornings, we take turns so everyone can get ready for school or work on time. Sometimes it feels busy, but we always make it work. Our home may not be big or fancy, but it is filled with love, laughter, and care. It is the place where we feel safe, where we can relax after a long day, and where we make special memories together. Our home is not just a building, it is the heart of our family. So, my dear friends, now you know about my family and my home. They are the people I love the most and the place where I feel safe and happy. Our home may not be big, but it is full of laughter, kindness, and love. Now, I want to hear about you. Can you tell me about your family? Who do you live with? What is your home like? What do you like to do together? You can use the sentences and words from today's lesson to help you. For example, you can say, "This is my mother. She is very kind." Or, "My family likes to eat dinner together in the evening." Remember, it's okay if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The most important thing is to try. Step by step, your English will grow. If you can, write a few sentences about your family in a notebook, or say them out loud to a friend. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. I believe in you. Your family, your home, and your story are special, and the world would love to hear them in your English voice. Thank you for spending time with me today. I'm proud of you for learning, and I hope you are proud of yourself too. Until next time, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep sharing your beautiful stories.